Hey guys, so we're coming back to you on Saturday, just a little late in the afternoon because I had a busy morning and a busy afternoon, but nevertheless, we are here to do the winner for day 9. Right, Jordan? Day 9. Okay. The winner for day 9 is, this is actually going to be a second time winner. The first time, well, I think she was number 2. I don't even remember now. But the winner for day 9 is Mama Bear 02 again. Post number 188, Carrie. Congratulations, Carrie. Woo! You will be receiving 1 skein of Vitalana in her colorway Chewies. Can you see that? It is 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere, 437 yards. Kind of a minty green color, which is fabulous.
Looks more blue.
No, it doesn't. You'll also, of course, be receiving another set of the crochet needles, because that's what we all need, right? You will also be receiving the October edition of the Knit Crate magazine, which I showed in one of the earlier giveaways. It has crochet patterns and knit patterns for you to choose from and to look at. So I hope that you will enjoy that as well. This is such a great book, such a great book. The photography in here is excellent. Excellent. Anyway, and you will also be receiving a set of charms, which I don't have with me at the moment, but be assured that they will be in your bag as well. And last but not least is your other tote bag that reads, drum roll please, Jordan.
I am doing this for me.
Yes, I am doing this for me. So Carrie, please get in contact with me via Ravelry and we'll get those prizes out to you. So guys, stay tuned for tomorrow for day 10. Bye-bye.
Bye.